The rate of change indicator, also known as ROC, measures how fast price is changing as a percentage over a set period. Here's how to use it on TradingView. First, hop on any chart you want to try it out on, click the / key, type in rate of change, click it, and there you have it. You'll see a lower pane with a line. Now notice that it's oscillating around the 0 line. Above 0, price is higher than it was that many bars ago, upward momentum. Below 0, downward. Now the default length is 9, and the useful read isn't just the line being positive or negative, it's actually the distance from 0. Far above 0 means a move is accelerating hard, and a sharp drop back towards 0 means momentum is fading, even if price is rising. So look out for those divergences. Now let's head over to settings to see how you can configure it to your liking. Simply drop down to the lower pane and then hover over the name in the left. Now go to settings. Now you can see that the length right now is 9, which is the default, and the source is the close, but you can configure these however you would like. Other than that, have a great day, guys.